some drinks there. Did you say you got here via the short bus?
Yes, I did, and I want to clean that up
Before the cats get out?
Well, I mean, I might have a sink full of dishes, but for the most part, I'm not that gross. Hey. Alright.
Okay. Hey, it's just vodka. It's not actual booze. You don't drink any more than I do you?
Alright, no.
No, not at all.
Okay, wait.
Okay, I'm actually making a video. Smile, you're on candid camera. Don't drink all my booze, woman.